How to remove hair from vacuum roller. Welcome to Vacuumizer. Many types of vacuum cleaners have different types of roller brushes. That helps to remove dirt, dust, and other debris from your floors. However, the roller brush can also become clogged with hair, which can reduce its effectiveness. Here are the simple guide to remove hair from vacuum roller. Number 1. Remove the vacuum cleaner head and locate the roller brush. Number 2. Use a pair of scissors to cut any hair around the brush. Number 3. Use a lint brush or piece of tape to remove any remaining hair. Number 4. Attach the vacuum cleaner head to vacuum. Number 5. That's it. Your vacuum roller is ready to use. Thanks for watching Vacuumizer. Don't forget to subscribe.